pairing with Kuya Tong? And what can we expect from your chemistry on screen?
I think Elaine and Atoy have like a cat and mouse chemistry because we both don't trust people. So we don't even trust each other and we like to kind of test each other's limits. So throughout the story, you'll see us like always testing each other, and it's fun though because I think that's why it's like people are drawn into it. I mean, maybe hopefully you'll be drawn into it. Hopefully, mahook namin kayo. But that's our chemistry, very like the cat and mouse dynamic.
Thank you, Miss Max. Next question is for Kuya Pao, and your question is from Pao Canyamo. You've taken on so many roles since you started at a very young age. Are there still any dream roles you'd like to pursue as an actor?
Gusto kong bumalik sa pagka-child star, kaso hindi na pwede. No, as an actor, honestly, wala na masyado. But ang pangarap ko na lang talaga was hopefully by next year in 2 years' time, I could start directing. And the goal is to direct Master Cutter 2. Second unit. Okay lang ako, second unit. Second unit muna. But seriously, I would love to start writing ng mas formal and directing.
Any projects in mind? May target ka na ba, Kuya Pao, na genre?
Madami project. Madami nakabako yan.
Kuya Pao.
Nakikita nyo na lang.
Sorry mo ako dyan. Thank you, Kuya Pao. Next question is for Miss Jo, and your question is from My Movie World. What drew you to this project, and how does your character contribute to the overall emotional core of this series?
Lagi ko naman pong sinasabi na I've always wanted to work with Kuya Long. So, nasufad yun sa The Master Classer. And meron po kasing part ng story ni Ame na ipapakita po dun yung struggle ng little person na makahanap ng trabaho to the point na kahit hindi na parang nawawala na yung value nila, itinatanggap na lang nila for them to earn a living to support themselves and their families. So, meron pong part na yun dun sa story. I think isa po yun sa pinakamalaking push ko nung nag-yes ako sa character ni Ame. And si Ame po kasi, umiikot lang talaga nung una yung buhay niya kay Ibiang kasi silang dalawa lang naman yung pamilya. So, nung napunta sila sa Tabang Lupa, dun po nagkaroon ng mas malaking chosen family. Doon niya naramdaman na pwede palang magkaroon ng pamilya kahit hindi mo sila kadugo.
Thank you, Miss Jo.
I-add ko lang ang galing niya sa action scene. Meron talaga. Abangan niyo yun.
Malupit yun, malupit.
Ang lupit yung eksena ng
First
sobra.
time ko po yun.
Nakaka-excite. Kwentuhan mo ko, Miss Jo, sa action scene mo. Next question is for Shella, and your question is from When in Manila. What is something you want kids your age to learn from your character's bravery?
I admire the character of Ibiang, and I'd like to acknowledge the scriptwriters. Hello, Arthur. They make sure that I'm already crying just reading my script. Like, I receive it, and tears are flowing from my eyes. It makes me really cry. And I really feel Ibiang's hardship she's been going through, like for how she handles her feelings for longing for a family, to being patient to bullies, makes me cry. And I hope kids my age can use Ibiang's strategy. They have to watch out for her character slowly unfolds. Ibiang is a very interesting character.
Amazing. Thank you so much. That was so cute.
Siya na lang pinapadala ng memo na English dapat yung sagot kasi Netflix tayo. Okay lang tayo mag...
Para tayo wala mong pinag-aralan.
Parang nakakabobo. Ayun naman sa amin siya na.
Moving on. This question is for everyone. Gusto ko namin marinig ang sagot nyo sa katanungan ito. If you can have a double life, like Atoy, what would be the other one? Let's start with Direk. Direk, ikaw una.
Dapat kasi sabi sa inyo tinatanong nyo yung mga stuntman kasi double life talaga yun, double sa artista. Maybe a priest. A priest. That was, I wanted to be a priest when I was a kid. Pero parang mahirap i-negotiate yung yung vow of celibacy, so parang that wasn't for me. Pero other than that, okay naman ako sa pare.
Thank you, Direk. Kuya Dong.
Ako, chef. Oh, frustration ko yun, no, yung pagluluto. Sinasampulan ko naman sila sa bahay parate, pero parating palpa. So kaya yun ang gusto ko matutunan.
Anong favorite food nila na niluluto mo?
Scalloped eggs ang kaya mo gawin. Pero, kaya kailangan siya matagdagan naman ng konti yun.
Miss Max?
Spy. Miss Spy. Have you watched Red Sparrow with
Yeah.
Jennifer Lawrence? Diba? Like, I don't know, that's what made me want to be a spy because of that movie. Pero nakakapagod yung action, kailangan very willing ka to, do crazy things, and I'm not. So, that's why I would choose.
Kuya Pao?
Ako siguro parang gusto ko maging Shena. Parang nakakapag-English ako sa press con. Parang hindi ko yun ang goal. Ako gusto ko maging since laging tayo nasa Maynila, Visayas, parang gusto kong maging bankero. Yung gano'n yung nasa island ka lang, mas laid back yung buhay. Para relax na may iba.
Miss Jo?
Ako po, ako po gusto ko talaga maging lawyer kasi childhood dream ko din.
Shena?
Ako po, gusto ko po maging part-time doctor. So, morning, artista. Paggabi po, part-time doctor. So, tinawagan ako, meron ka akong taping. Sabi ko, hello, may pasyente ka na po. Sabi ko, sorry, nagtitinda ako. Pwede na lang maging absent na lang ako.
Walang pwedeng doktor. Hindi maaasahang doktor.
Thank you so much for your insightful answers at sobrang kwela nun. And thank you to everyone who sent in questions for today's press conference. Everyone, The Master Cutter will be playing on Netflix starting tomorrow, May 8 po yan, 72 hours before it airs on GMA. This exciting series will not only be available in the Philippines, but syempre across Southeast Asia. But because we know you're just as excited as we are, Netflix couldn't leave you hanging. Everyone, here's an exclusive sneak peek clip